Hello everyone.
Welcome to the new video. Today we will discuss in brief about clinical trials. So let's start. In today's video, we will discuss what is drug development and clinical trials process, what are clinical trials, and what are the different phases of clinical trials. Let's start with drug development and clinical trials process. Drug development and clinical trials process is broadly classified in three main parts. First part is research and development. Second part is clinical trials. And third part is treatment, which is also called as post-marketing surveillance. In research and development step, we mainly focus on the drug discovery and preclinical trials. In clinical trial step, we have three phases of clinical trials:
Phase 1, Phase 2,
and Phase 3. From Phase 1 to Phase 3 clinical trials, we study various parameters of drug in human, like pharmacological actions of drug, tolerability of drug, safety and efficacy of drug, effectiveness of drug therapy, and risk-benefit ratio of drug. In treatment or post-marketing surveillance step, drug therapy is approved and drug is available to purchase in market. In this step, we monitor long-term effects and effectiveness of drug. After research and development step and before starting clinical trial step on investigational drug, research group responsible for developing the drug or sponsor company need to file investigational new drug application. This investigational new drug application contains all data and safety profile of preclinical trial. Once investigational new drug application approved by Food and Drug Administration, then only research group or sponsor company can proceed with the human trials. Again, after clinical trial phase 3, research group or sponsor company should file new drug application to get marketing approval of drug. Once this new drug application approved, then only sponsor company can market or sell the drug to public. So this is a brief description of entire drug development and clinical trials process. Now let's discuss the research and development step in detail. In this step we focus on the drug discovery and preclinical trials. Preclinical trials usually done on animals, like frog, mice, rat, monkey, etc., to determine whether the drug is safe for human testing. This preclinical trials took around 3 to 6 years of time. And in this step, we mainly focus on mechanism of action of drug, efficacy of drug. Efficacy is the ability of drug to act against the pathogen or targeted disease, and safety of the drug. In this step, we are more concerned about the medical risk to the patient. Once drug qualifies all these three parameters, sponsor company or research group responsible for developing the drug can file the investigational new drug application to FDA. In simple language, this IND form is a request from sponsor company or research group to the Food and Drug Administration to conduct clinical trial in human subjects using their investigational drug. This IND form contains all the safety data collected on the drug from preclinical study. FDA have authority to approve or reject the IND application. The purpose of IND application is to ensure that clinical trial subjects will not face any undue risk of harm due to use of investigational drug. If investigational new drug application is approved by FDA, then only sponsor company or research group proceed with the clinical trials. Once this IND application approved by FDA, our second step, clinical trial gets started. In simple language, clinical trial is biomedical or health-related research studies conducted in humans. Clinical trial follows the predefined protocol. Protocol is nothing but the guidebook for research study. Now let's move to phase 1 of clinical trials. Phase 1, also called as first in human study. Duration of this phase is approximately from 3 months to 1 year. This study is conducted in healthy population or people with targeted disease. Approximately 10 to 100 subject use in study. Now let's discuss factors identified in phase 1 study. First factor is pharmacodynamics of drug, which contain side effect of drug, any desired effect of drug, and mechanism of action of drug. Second factor is pharmacokinetics of drug, which contain study on absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination of drug. Third factor is to identify maximum tolerated dose of the drug. Now let's move to phase 2 of clinical trials. Duration of this phase is approximately 1 to 2 years. This study is conducted in population with targeted disease. Approximately 80 to 1000 subjects used in the study. Now let's discuss factors identified in phase 2 study.
First factor is safety of the investigational drug at various doses.
Next one is tolerability of the investigational drug at various doses. Then, drug-drug interactions. And last factor is drug-disease interactions. Now let's move to phase 3 of clinical trials. Duration of this phase is approximately 2 to 4 years. This study is conducted in diverse population with targeted disease. Approximately 80 to 2000 subjects used in the study. Now let's discuss factors identified in phase 3 study.
First factor is
dosage interval, which means whether drug should be used once a day or twice a day, etc. to get desired beneficial effect. Second factor is risk-benefit information of drug, which means to confirm if benefit out of drug is more than risk. And last factor is efficacy and safety of the drug, which means to check and confirm the ability of investigational drug to produce a desired result with patient safety. After phase 3 clinical trial, sponsor company or research group should file new drug application to FDA. New drug application is comprehensive document which contain all safety profile of drug that must be submitted to the United States Food and Drug Administration in order to request approval for marketing a new drug in the United States. In simple language, once new drug application of investigational drug is approved by the Food and Drug Administration, then only sponsor company can sell the new drug in market. And this new drug is available to purchase in pharmacy stores. Once new drug application of investigational drug approved by the FDA, this new drug moved to third step of drug development and clinical trials process, which is treatment phase. Treatment phase is also called as phase 4 of clinical trial or post-marketing surveillance of drug. Duration of this step is ongoing throughout after FDA approval. This final step of drug development and clinical trials process mainly focus on diverse population with targeted disease, new age group, which were not covered till phase 3 clinical trial, and gender, which were not covered till phase 3 clinical trial. Now let's discuss factors identified in these steps. First key factor is long-term monitoring of risks and benefits of new drug. And next factor is pharmacoeconomics of drug. Pharmacoeconomics is nothing but the comparison of value of one pharmaceutical drug or drug therapy with another. So that's it for today. Hope you understand the clinical trial concept in detail. You can ask me additional information on which you want clarification in comment section. Please follow my Facebook page Pharmacovigilance Knowledge. Also subscribe to my Telegram channel Pharmacovigilance Knowledge for more details on pharmacovigilance. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video with friends. It will motivate me to create more such videos. Thank you.